So now I'd like to transition into this to a genealogy of post-humanist thought. It is going to be incomplete, it is going to be unsatisfactory. But I've listed here some of the key players in contemporary posthumanism, some of the folks that I've drawn from and learned a lot through. And I would like to read a quote from Rosie Braidotti to get us moving here. Quote, "Posthuman theory is a generative tool to help us rethink the basic unit of reference for the human in the biogenetic age known as Anthropocene. The historical moment when the human has become a geological force capable of affecting all life, all zoe, on this planet," end quote. And I added the zoe part, that was me. All right, so what is posthumanism, right? In one sense, it is an answer or a response to the debates between humanism and anti-humanism. So we can summarize, and I'll talk about what some of those debates have been in a second, or right now. So these debates have been around, the universalist posture of the humanist project, that the human can be known universally, right? That anthropos can be known as a universal. The historical progress of perfectibility. The humanist project, what most social science research today is grounded within, assumes this notion of being able to, that historical progress can reach some sort of perfectibility, that should be a valuable goal for us, right? Humanists and anti-humanists have struggled over what notions of autonomy can mean and or look like and or be practiced as. This relates to the self-determination debates, the politics of location and the situatedness of perhaps identity or knowledges, dialectical otherness, progress v. providence. So while the humanist project was squarely a secularist project, its notion of progress was directly imported from the religious notion of providence, right? So it never really made that divorce, right? Truth, notions of truth, evidence, critique as negative, critique as positive, social research as positive, restrictive or productive, right? So posthumanism is not an abandonment of the humanist endeavor, nor a wholesale salute to anti-humanist concerns. And anti-humanism here, you think about things like post-structural theory and post-colonial theory. Those are who I'm referring to in terms of the anti-humanists, right? The folks trying to tear down the humanist project of positivism, constructivism, and critical theory. So posthumanism then emerges less as a compromise and more as a generative, productive response to the humanist, anti-humanist controversies and critique. It seeks to break through the dialectical conceptualizations of humanness, providing innovation in ways to embrace the situatedness of our epistemological condition and the interreliance, interconnectedness of our ontological becoming. The debt to post-colonial theories here is real and must be recognized as the starting point for posthumanism, as a starting point of posthumanism, where humanism in large part has been empirically demonstrated to have been used to declare and construct certain subjects as less than human. So the humanist endeavor, concomitant with the colonial endeavor, has been used as a tool to dehumanize, largely along biopolitical cartographies traced onto race, ethnicity, sexuality, gender, and social class.